Hey, how you guys doing? For this week's video, we're going to take a look at a recent acquisition, which is the Shape Full Play Lithium-ion V-Lock batteries, particularly the one on the right. The one on the left is going to be kind of a comparison. Now, this came about is because um, I have a Red Rock Micro full cage for my Canon C100, which also utilizes a Shape V-Lock battery mounts to power it with. And since I only had one battery, which was here on the left, you should always have a spare. So I went ahead and eventually got this one on the, well, actually it's the left, it's my right, which is actually slightly different. They're virtually the same, but a little, they still look a little different. Now, before I go into that, um, I kind of wanted to show you, they've been having a sale, and usually these batteries are around, this is for the, I believe the 98 watt, I think, off the top of my head. And they usually run around $240. In this case, it's showing here about $254.32. And I was kind of looking around, and they did have on another website. Let me see if I can get this right here. Go up. There we go. This was on a drama. I can't pronounce that very good. And they basically had the very same battery for over $50 cheaper. Not only that, you can also get a. It comes with a recharger for. Well, I'm not saying it's free. I guess eventually you'd pay for it. But they seem to throw it in as a bonus if you went ahead and bought this battery. So we're actually going to kind of compare the two batteries and take a look at what I've got. Now, this is being the original battery that came with my V-Lock battery mount. And let me open it up right here. It's kind of hard. And this is basically what it is. Maybe I'll post the video to the whole review for the initial battery. And I'm going to read off the specs to you for you, which is 98 watt or excuse me, 98 watt hours, excuse me, which is comes out at 14.8 volts, which is of course a lithium-ion V-Lock battery. As you can see, the V-Lock mount on the bottom, and it's very typical of what you buy if you have a V-Lock type battery. You also have, of course, the status light indicators with 5 lights, and you also have where you can use a P-tap with this, and it also has a USB mount as well. So the P-tap's right here, then the USB mount's right there. And like I said, since I've already have the one battery, you really need a minimum of two batteries. So just to show you here, this new one, it was kind of weird because they look pretty much different than the other one. It's just really, I mean, they're virtually identical how they work, but the look is much different. I'm going to try to tilt it up there for you guys to see. And ones might even look a little bigger. I guess they're virtually the same. Yeah, they're virtually the same size. I mean, they have the 5 status indicator lights on the sides, the same thing. They're also 98 watt hours, 14.8 volts. So virtually the same thing. I'm not sure why they decided to change the look. I actually like the look on this one better than this one, but it's not a big deal as long as they both work okay, and go from there. Like I said, it also includes a charger that utilizes a P-tap, and it also has a status indicator light right here that turns green and red depending on if you're charging or it's fully charged, I guess. Then obviously you'd have to hook up your power cord to that as well. Just like that. So I kind of wanted to show you that. I'm not sure. I tried to look on the website and I couldn't find any information on the reason for the change, and it looks like it's just the casings just changed a little bit. They look, I think they're virtually identical as far as the way they work. I don't know if the electronics are the same or anything's different since then. So go check it out. If you go to the Adroma website, you can get probably $50 off and get a free charger with it as well. I don't think they sell it cheaper than $199, but at least you get the battery itself is cheaper, and you do get a charger with it as well. So thanks you guys for watching, and see you guys later.